Hello traders! Today I would like to show you some results from our community. These results are posted every single day. This is our AllInTraders community. If you like to join us, I will tell you how to do that at the end of this video. But let's see some results. Let's start maybe from here. Wojtek, we got some crude oil, $340, $740, $200, and we got some loss of $222. That's okay. You know that we not only get take profits, we also got stop losses, and we are showing that as well. Okay, let's go lower. We got Augustus. Wow, this is very nice. It's more than $5,000 in profit. I'm not sure. I think it's gold, because Augustus mostly he trade on gold, so probably that result is from gold, and he's saying that he done 5% of his account. Very nice. Rafał, this is demo account. Not sure what's the profit. 10,000. Okay, that's good. This is demo account, so nice for practice, of course. Okay, another day. Again, we got Augustus, 4% of account. You can see in 2 days nearly 10%. Let's check out the result. $4,000. That is quite nice. What we got next? We got Wojtek over here. 1, 2, 3, 5 nice positions in profit. They are all different. You can see GBP USD, USD CAD twice, crude oil, and NZD JPY. Total profit, I think it's $780. That's impressive. Okay, let's go lower. Another $1,500 by Augustus. We got Vitek. This is challenge account, so he is challenging to get founded. Look at that. This is profit of $1,571. We got Augustus here. Whoa, this is nice, guys. Look at this profit. This is only one trade, $7,330. Very impressive. That was also done by Augustus. Very nice. Okay, let's check some more results. We got Rafał here with $670, $392. Okay, let's go lower. Wojtek again around $700. Augustus, 10% of account. Oh my god, this guy is crazy. I want to check this. If it's 10% of his account, it must be something around $10,000. Whoa! Oh my god, look at this, guys. This is $10,000, more than $10,000 one trade. It's only one trade. I'm telling you, this guy is crazy. I know he's specialized in gold. I think he's only trading on gold. I don't think he used any other assets to look for opportunities. But guys, 10%. I know it's nice result, but probably the risk was high as well, but still very impressive. Again, Rafał $633, Rafał $211. We got another person, I think it's Pelos from our community. He was using all-in signals. If you like to get access to all-in signals, it's a group on Telegram when you can get signals to enter the positions. He's using all-in signals. Let's check the results. $324. Then we got $249 and $502. Oh, one more, sorry, two more actually. $318 and let's check $70. Very nice. Congratulations. What else we got? Rafał, nice plan. I think here he entered the positions, so he posted, yeah, we got entry over here. And final result, full take profit. Very nice. And again, Rafał, full take profit. You can see he made the plan. I'm not sure about this trade here, but I'm pretty sure we are talking about this trade here. So here was entry to the position and we got full take profit. Okay, what else? I will show you a few more, but you can scroll all day, guys, all day. We got many more. We got Wojtek here. He said for the beginning of the week, let's check how he started the week. $880 $82. We know Wojtek very well. He's been with us on trading camp. Yes, live trading camp, because we go to live trading camp every single year. This year we're gonna go to Turkey. We got still some places are available. So if you like to join us on live trading camp, you want to meet us, meet people from our community, you want to learn some extra things, some extra strategies, extra setups, and have a good fun, also you can join us. So check our website, you're gonna find every information over there. If not, just leave the message under this video. Pretty sure we're gonna get back to you. Another 579, 255. Some of these are demo accounts, not all of them, guys, not all of them. Some of these, like I told you, there was 1 or 2 demo accounts. We got live accounts. Also, people are challenging in my founding accounts. So if you like to join our community or you want to find out how to start with the trading, just click the link below. You can find some more information, and hopefully I will see you soon.